Happy birthday, Hussein. Happy 40th birthday. I have known you for more than a decade now. I know all the little perfections, the grave imperfections, everything about you. And no matter how much we agree to disagree with each other, I know that we will always have each other's back. Now, all this I could tell you in person, or through a message, or through a call. So, this video might be a little surprise for you. That why am I showing you this video? Now, I have tried to gather people for a little surprise, and a few of them would be a total surprise for you. So, you need to have some patience, sit आराम से and watch this video till the last. Happy birthday once again. I wish there was no COVID so that we could go out, we could celebrate, or we could call people. But then you have to make do with whatever you have. So happy birthday once again, and I hope the older you're growing, the wiser you become. Birthday to you. Clap karo baby. Happy birthday to you. Fast clap karo. Happy birthday dear papa. Happy birthday to you. પછી શું કરવાનું? I love you. I love you papa. બોલો પાપા. મોહમ્મદ પા બોલો. Pa.
હુસેનભાઈ તમારો 40મો બર્થડે ઘણું ઘણું મુબારક થાય અને હંમેશા તમે ખુશ રહો, હંમેશા તમારા ફેમિલીમાં અને ખુશ રહો. તમે મોહમ્મદની તમને ખુશી બતાવે અને બધાને ફેમિલીમાં બધાને મારા તરફથી તમારા વર્ષની તમારા બર્થડેની સેલિબ્રેશન કરશો તો અમારે યાદ રાખજો. અમે वहाँ हाजर होता तो અમે બી તમારા ખુશીમાં સામેલ થતા, પણ કંઈ નહીં, અમે દૂર છે પણ દિલથી નજદીક છે અને તમે અમારા મેમ્બર ફેમિલી મેમ્બર છો ખાસ ને ખાસ તમે એકદમ ખાસ છો અમારા વાસ્તે અને તમને ઘણી ઘણી મુબારક થાય તમારા ઘરમાં બધાને. શુક્રિયા. થેન્ક યુ.
Happy birthday, Hussein. May God bless you with all the happiness and good things in life. May you stay blessed. પહેલાં તો અલ્લાહનો શુકર કે તમે અમારી જિંદગીમાં આવ્યા અને અમને એટલી નેમતો અને ખુશી અમને મળી છે તમારા આવાસથી અમારી જિંદગીમાં. થેન્ક યુ ફોર ગિવિંગ મોહમ્મદ ટુ અસ. હી ઇઝ યોર કાર્બન કોપી, મિને હુસેન, and we are so blessed to have him. And in spite of all the ups and downs in our relationship has grown strong, and inshallah it will grow all the more stronger, and we'll stay happy, blessed. અને આ વર્ષ વધારે એટલે પણ યાદ રહેશે કેમ કે 2020 છે. 20 + 20 is 40. That is how old you are, and it will be very easy for us all to remember this year. In spite of social distancing, we all are very close and near. And once again, Allah તમારી હર ઉમ્મીદ પૂરી કરે, તમને તમારા બચ્ચાઓમાં ખુશી તમને નસીબ થાય. બચ્ચાઓ એટલે કહી રહી છું કેમ કે we want a daughter next year. So I would once again like to wish you a very happy birthday and have a blast. Enjoy. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Hussain Bhai. I hope that you have an amazing year ahead, and this next year brings a lot of good luck and prosperity to you. And we will try to be there for you on the 6th of October. But if in case we are unable to be there, this video that Munira is going to make for you with all the relatives and all your friends, wishing you a very happy birthday. So I hope that we are still there with you on your birthday, and I hope that you have an amazing year ahead, and best wishes to you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Hussain Bhai. Hoping your 40s will feel incredibly new and exciting, just like your 20s, only doubly so.
Wishing you all the happiness in the world. Hope you have a fantastic birthday and hope that you find this happiness every day of your life.
Happy birthday.
હેલો, કેમ છો બધા? હુસેનભાઈ, ખાસ તમારે વરસની ઘણી ઘણી મુબારક. હેપી બર્થડે, અને મે ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ. તમારી હર ઉમ્મીદને પૂરી કરે ખુદા, અને હર મુશ્કેલ આસાન કરે, ને તમારે હજી ઘણા આગળ ઘણી 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 ખુશીઓ આપે તમારા લોકોને. આમીન. અને હજી વન્સ અગેન હેપી બર્થડે. ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ.
Hey, how's it going? Happy birthday from California.
Hey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
From the Simwala house and the dogs. Love you. Hope it's a good day.
Have a good day!
Hussain Bhai, this for you. बार बार दिन ये आए, 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 तुझे हजारों साल की मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Hussain Bhai, happy birthday to you.
Hello, Kemcho.
Hussain Bhai,
Happy birthday, Hussein.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday from Rehan
Yay.
also.
Rehan.
Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Hi, Hussain Bhai, Munira, Muhammad. Hi from Florida. Just wanted to wish you a very, very happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. A lot of health, wealth, prosperity, a lot of laughter, a lot of good memories. Hope you're having a wonderful celebration and everything's going well. From Lian, myself, mom, dad, Insia, and Rehan, all of us. Take care.
Assalamu alaikum, Hussain Bhai. So the story goes many years back. It began with Shirin Aunty Pardawala. She's the one who introduced Shabir Bhai Kachi to us. Shabir Bhai Kachi, your late father-in-law. What a wonderful man he was. We dearly miss him even today, even though it's been many years that we lost him. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showered his mercy on us by giving you as a son-in-law. And indeed it is a blessing because you are a copy of Shabir Bhai in every aspect. In demeanor, in behavior, all your attributes are identical to him. That indeed is a blessing. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep you and your family happy always. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi Hussain Bhai, we are all here wishing you very happy birthday. We wanted to come together and say tell you how important you are, and we wish we could have celebrated this wonderful day together with you. We wish you the best life can bring, and also make duas for you for your good health, happiness and successes in all that you do. खुदा आपके लिए ढेरों सारी खुशियाँ ले आए, यही हमारी दुआ है.
Hi Hussain Bhai. So I know it's been a very long time since we've seen each other, but inshallah you can come back and visit soon. One memory that I'd like to share that I had with you is the first time when I came to India, and you took me around and we went to that one restaurant with the really, really good kebabs. And that's one memory that, I'll never forget, because I remember you treated me so well and I had such a really good experience because of you. And I really cherish those moments forever, and I hope that we can have more of them in the future.
Hi, Senpai. I know we didn't spend a lot of time together, but I had a really good time when you were here in America, and hopefully we can spend some more time together soon.
Keep smiling. It's your birthday.
Happy 40th birthday, Hussein.
Have a great year ahead. Enjoy your day and stay safe.
Stay indoors.
Happy birthday, Hussein. Have a great day.
Happy 40th birthday! Wishing you a very happy birthday. I can't believe, Hussein, you're 40 years old. Shit! Enjoy your day, and I hope this is the best birthday you've had. May all your dreams come true and all your wishes come true. Wish you a very, very happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Hussein.
Happy 40th birthday, bhai.
Hi Hussein, how are you? Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. Have a great day, a great time, and have a fantastic year ahead and all years to come. Stay happy and stay blessed always. Take care. Bye-bye.
Wishing my son Hussein Sabir Pramod on his 40th birthday many, many happy returns of the day to my son. God bless you in your life and have a wonderful year ahead and fulfill all your dreams in your life. Go ahead in your work. Keep your family intact. Do not allow anybody to harass you and all. See that you keep all your promises given to your mother also, your late mother also, whom you have promised that you will with the family and you will work with them everywhere. Thank you, my son. Have a very wonderful year ahead. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday, Hussein.
Happy birthday to
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hussein. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hi Hussein.
Wish you a very happy
birthday. May you have many more happy and healthy years of life.
Hi Hussein. Happy 40th birthday. Life starts after 40, so enjoy beyond 40. Wish you all the best. I just want to remind you that the 5,000 you lost over me, I would love to win again and again every time we meet and play. Inshallah.
Bye. Hi, bye. Wish you a very happy 40th birthday. God bless you. Stay safe. potlibaba.com to Remonos Manavaste. Thank you for everything. Bye.
Happy birthday, Hussein. May God bless you. May all your wishes come true. Words are not enough, but ઘણી ઘણી મુબારક તને વરસની અને સોરી આજે મીઠું નથી.
એ દીકરા વરસ મુબારક થાય. તારે બોલાવે છે મુર્ગી ખાવાને. હા આવી જાય ઘર પર તારા.
Happy birthday, dear Hussein. Have an awesome day. Wishing you a lovely life full of happiness and joy, Hussein, on your birthday from Chennai family.
Super Chennai.
Hi Hussein.
Hi Hussein.
A very happy wala birthday.
A very happy
Stay
wala
blessed,
birthday.
stay safe. बोलो ने.
Safe, bliss.
Happy birthday, Mamu. I hope you're having a great day and I hope you have a great year ahead. I hope that everything you wish for and want is fulfilled in the next year and upcoming years. I'm not going to make this long because I know your concentration span is like... So I'm going to keep it short. You're someone who I have grown up with and grown up around. You're one of the kindest people I know and someone who I look up to and respect so much. A lot of people, well, everyone around me and us says that I am your Xerox copy, and honestly I don't mind that at all. I really hope I can make you proud one day. And yeah, तो पण अगर मने खून माफ होते तो मैं तमारो करी दे. Still, Okay, I hope you have a great day.
Hi Mamu, happy birthday. Love you a lot. I know we have a cats and dogs relationship. We don't have the same bond as you and Bane, but I love you a lot, and I know people are gonna tell you that you're growing old. It's a lie, you're not. It's still gonna be my young Mamu, and I love you a lot, and I really don't know what to tell you. And remember one thing, I'll always be your Bane number, and you'll always be my Mamu. Sarange. Happy birthday once again.
Happy 40th birthday, dearest Hussein.
Wishing you a blessed and wonderful year ahead. Happy birthday, dear Hussein.
Have a great year ahead. Bye.
लकड़े की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़ा बन गया 40 का पोटला अली बाबा 40 चोर many many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Hussein.
हैप्पी बर्थडे 40 साल के बुड्ढे विल अ लॉट ऑफ मेमोरीज पोटला एंड मेनी मोर टू कम विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टुडे देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ हेडेक बहुत सिर दुख रहा है आई नो तेरा भी दुख रहा होगा लेट्स डू समथिंग अबाउट इट टेक केयर स्टे सेफ स्टे हेल्दी बाय
Happy 40th birthday, Hussein Kaku. You are handsome, unique, sweet, smart, awesome, intelligent, and naughty. Enjoy your birthday. Have a nice time.
हाय पोटला अस्सलाम वालेकुम विश यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे भाभी ने कहा था अपनी दोस्ती के बारे में कुछ कहना है जहाँ तक दोस्तों का सवाल है आई हैव द वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स विद मी खुदा की देन है बट जहाँ तक पोटले के साथ दोस्ती का सवाल है आई वुड लाइक टू से मुझे एक मैसेज याद आ गया व्हाट्सएप का इट सेज अ फ्रेंड इज हु विल ऑलवेज बेल यू आउट ऑफ jail when you are in jail but a true friend is the one who will be sitting beside you and saying dude we are screwed तो पोटला वो ड्यूड है जो मेरे बाजू में बैठा होगा he is my partner in crime not just a friend so long live our friendship and long live Potla bye
happy birthday Hussein bhai stay healthy have a great day
Happy birthday, Hussein Kaku. God bless you. Happy birthday, Hussein Kaku.
Congratulations. You're entering your naughty 40. Wish you all the luck and wish you many, many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, bhai.
Happy birthday, Potla.
Hussein bhai.
Hussein, શું કહેશો?
Happy birthday,
કાકા.
Tata.
Hi, Hussein bhai. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Potla, જન્મદિન મુબારક. You're getting old.
No, Hussein, he's growing wiser.
Tasneem, he's turned 40. At 40, you start losing your memory.
But there are certain memories.
Which I don't want you to forget and I'll keep reminding you.
Hussein bhai, we've known each other for so many years now. We've been together for so many trips and dinners. This shows how much you mean to us.
Or how mean you are to us.
Come on, Hussein. Don't give him a hard time on his birthday at least.
ठीक है.
So on your birthday,
we wish you a happy and a healthy life.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
40 बरस का बुड्ढा लेकिन है हमारा पोटला सबको बांटी हमको डांटी अय्या कितनी गान मस्ती की अपन ने साथ में यार अनबिलीवेबल एंड मेनी मोर टू कम भाभी ने बोला कि एक वीडियो बनाओ मैं बोला इनसे पूरा पिक्चर बन सकता है वो भी हर दिन का 5 शो इतना झोल केला है साथ में there are many moments that comes to my mind but there was a time when we had nothing to do and life was not taking us anywhere that's the time when we used to go for our evening walks and go to see the famous basketball champion. What was his name? Mahesh. Sukri Dulli. Mahesh. I guess that was the time when we came very close. We have always been very close since our childhood. But that was a time when we had nothing to do and we had to prove ourselves कि भैया life is worthwhile or no. वो इंटरनेट सिटी के कांड, पता नहीं what more messes that we've done. I guess this video will take way longer, but I wish you have a successful life ahead. Wishing you all the very best. I'm waiting when will you actually. This is where I am at the moment, just chilling out, and I'm just यार तुम लोग सब लोग कब आओगे, स्पेशली अपनी चोगड़ी के हरामी लोग. Wishing you all the very best. Lots of love wishes. Hope to meet soon. कोरोना की माँ की जय. साला पटे और मैं इंडिया हूँ. Farida also wants to wish you. Just give me a moment.
Hi bhai, કેમ છો? Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best. And I don't know હું શું કહું કે તમે કેવું celebrate કરવું હશે તમારું quarantine birthday, but happy birthday. I know Munira must have done the best for you.
Right. The best is never complete without us. Inshallah soon. Happy birthday. Have fun and welcome here soon. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hussain Kaku. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Potla. We are friends since childhood. ઘણી memories છે જે always recollect કરું છું and have a big laugh on it. Especially the one જ્યારે આપણે અફલાતુન મૂવી જોવા જાય છે ગેટીમાં અને ટિકિટ ચેકર આવે છે અને તું એના હાથમાં bits of paper આપે છે and we are thrown out of the cinema hall saying બડે બાપ की औलादे हो. Okay, that was the most memorable moment. I can never forget when we were together in that cinema hall. Happy birthday once again, Potla. Enjoy your day.
Hi. Hussain bhai, wishing you a fabulous 40. Prayers for a healthy, wealthy and a prosperous year ahead. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Hussain Chachu.
Happy birthday, Potla.
Happy birthday, Hussain bhai.
भाई तारा वास्ते एक पोएम लखेली जे जाव्या है. पोटला पोटला करते हैं हम सब, पोटला पोटला करते हैं. बच्चे भी ये सुन के अब पोटला अंकल कहते हैं. हमें पता नहीं कि तुझे पसंद है या नहीं, पर हम तो पहले भी पोटला बोलते थे और अब भी पोटला बोलेंगे. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू पोटला वंस अगेन. और अगली बार अभी ट्रिप पे जाएंगे तो आगे बैठ के जब गाइड करेगा ना राइट, तो राइट ही बताना, लेफ्ट मत बताना.
Happy birthday, Hussain bhai. And we'll definitely miss your party.
Happy birthday to you, G.
Happy birthday, Hussein.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Lots of birthday wishes to you on your special day. We wish that you get lot of success, lot of health and wealth. This special wishes is from me, Ivani and Rajesh. We hope to get a party soon. ये कोरोना खत्म होगा, party के लिए जरूर बुलाना. Not something made by Munira, but something we need to get from outside. Let her rest. Happy birthday and enjoy. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hussein. Happy birthday to you. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Happy
birthday
Hussein bhai. Inshallah.
next
Year.
Ashara Sate
Jasu. Amin.
Summa.
Amin.
Hey bro, what's up? Wish you a happy birthday. Wish you lot and lot of happiness. May God bless you with lot of good health, good wealth. Take care, enjoy, have a blast. Bye bye.
Many happy returns of the day, Hussein bhai. Stay blessed always. Have a great day. Happy birthday.
Wishing a very happy birthday to the most fun-loving and jovial person we know.
Happy 40th birthday, Hussein bhai.
Have a rocking one, and we need a party very soon.
Hi Hussein, wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. You have always been a hard worker and fighter in life. May God always help you in whatever you do. All the best, bhai. It's a pleasure to know you and be a friend. Thank you.
Too many happy returns of the day. May Allah bless you with everything, health, wealth and happiness.